Hello. Welcome to drawing class. We create a lesson from very basic to advanced, and these lessons are for drawing portrait faces. You will learn how to draw faces from the beginning. Once you complete this lesson, you will be able to draw a complete portrait face. In this course, we help you learn how to draw a portrait face sketch. Start with a basic outline. Begin by lightly sketching the basic shape of the head. Draw a circle for the skull and a line down the center to represent the center of the face. Next, sketch a vertical line across the center line to indicate the position of the eyes. Add the facial features, sketch in the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Remember to use guidelines to help you position each feature correctly. For example, the eyes should be positioned halfway between the top of the head and the chin. Refine the features. Once you have the basic features in place, start to refine them. Pay attention to the proportions of the face and adjust as necessary. For example, the distance between the eyes should be roughly the same as the width of one eye. Add shading and texture. Use a variety of shading techniques to add depth and texture to the face. Pay attention to the direction of the light source and use darker shading where shadows would naturally occur. Refine the details. Add additional details to the face, such as the eyebrows, eyelashes, and wrinkles. Use small, light strokes to create a sense of texture and depth. Finalize the drawing. Once you are happy with your sketch, finalize the drawing by going over the lines with a darker pencil or pen. You may also want to add some additional shading or highlights to create a more realistic look. Remember that drawing a portrait takes practice, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out perfectly. Keep practicing and experimenting with different techniques until you find a style that works for you. You can download this course by clicking on the link in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates.